What is up, guys? We've got another member built product this time. Not a part, but still pretty cool. Yeah, here we go. Alrighty then. Bam. Isn't that cool? Dude, this guy contacted me, Crazy Hearts Custom Designs, and I don't know if he's wanting to make a bunch of them, but he definitely is getting back into this or wanting to really get his name out there and or do more of what he's doing. And so he hit me up and he said, I want to put your logo on this, which was pretty cool. So yeah, if you guys want to hit him up, it's Crazy Hearts Custom Design. Here's the number right there. And his name is Duran. Should probably know this before I made the video. Duran Atkins, owner of Crazy Hearts Custom Design. So that's pretty cool. And I'll be quite honest with you, as much as I really like this, he's got some that are a lot cooler. Like, I love my logo, but he's got some with bump trucks on them and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested, and the details so much more than this. But yeah, if you guys want to contact him, number is 606-202-0832, and see if you guys like what he has to offer. Maybe put your truck on it or something. I don't know where his limitations lie on that, but yeah, to be honest with you, I'm probably just going to give this away because he was kind enough to give it to me. And as a giveaway for reaching 100,000, I'm going to do a couple, hopefully quite a few giveaways. For probably do like a truck show type of thing that we do, you know, like post your truck down below and we'll pick them and we'll do for the giveaway for the 100,000 when we reach 100,000 members, which is pretty cool. So hey guys, if you guys have any parts or products that you guys make and you guys want us to promote them on here that will improve someone's truck or make their garage even cooler, look even cooler, then contact me. We love to promote stuff that you guys make and for the Ford world and so on. So yeah, pretty cool, right? Hit him up, Duran Atkins at Crazy Hearts Custom Design, and see if you guys like anything there. And I'll see if I can put these up on the site. I've said that about 3 times now and I haven't put anything up on the site, but I probably need to do that. So, but yeah, thanks guys. You're the best members on Facebook, and I appreciate everything. See you guys.